John here, shoreline fishing, and the ponds are back to overfull. So I decided to fish here and see what I can catch. Let's fish. Like I said, the ponds are overfilled again. I'll take it to the path. You can see the path is full of water. As I was walking through there, I scared a pike back into the main water. So they are active. So let's see if I can catch something. So here, the weather is kind of chilly. And there's a blue heron in our path. As you can hear, I am walking through the water, trying to get to another fishing spot. But I just wanted to film a blue heron, see how close I can get. Sorry about the splashing. Oh, there he goes. It's the first fish of the day. Just glad I didn't get skunked. I am going to change my bobber to one that's a little bit more sensitive though, because they're barely biting. Very baby largemouth. Cute little thing. As you can tell, it is raining out, but unfortunately the water is a little bit too cold for the fish. So it feels like the pond fishing is finished for the year, which means fall fishing really is coming. So I'm going to go over to the docks and see what I can catch there. So here I am at the docks and enjoying this wet weather. Let's fish.